Hello and welcome to today's video on high altitude investing. So today's video is going to be a little update on my Nexium trade, and also a shout out to this cool shirt I got right here in the mail. So a little more details on that at the end of the video, but today's video is going to be update on yesterday's trade. So let's see if my sign into poloniex and go buy a coin trade actually turned out for us in a positive light. Alright, so let's go to go ahead and open our trading view, and let's check out Nexium. So NXC, so tradingview.com, and then I'm just searching Nexium. Then I'm going to open up the interactive chart. Alright, so let's look at where we entered in this coin. Looks like we bought this at 8,877 satoshis, and we're up at 9,420 satoshis. So it's up quite a bit. Now let's go draw a line on where we entered on TradingView. If we can get this chart to load here. Alright, so let's figure out where we entered. Again, our entry was 8,877. So we're not up a ton, but we are profiting in this trade. Alright, 8,877. Okay. So that would be about right here. Excellent. Now if we look, that means that we entered at somewhat of a lower low on this high. On this uptrend where it's making higher highs. So basically what it's going to do is, if you're trading an uptrending coin, you look to enter at a higher low because it's making higher highs. Is the idea, the concept. Much easier said than done, but lots of things are much easier said than done, so don't let that hold you back. Now yeah, this is looking pretty bullish still, and I'm thinking that it's going to continue doing what it's doing. So yes, I am still holding my Nexium, for anybody that was wondering. I'll point out just a couple things that's going on right now. As we can see, there's clear trending in this coin. Our RSI isn't showing overbought, so it looks like it could definitely keep trending in the direction it is. If we set a buy order, and then we want to set our fib retracement, and then let's zoom in here. Let's calculate our risk and reward. It's going to put my target exit up at about 22%, hold my risk at around 7. So that's about a 3 risk to reward ratio, meaning that our winners are bigger than our losers because we have our stop loss set below. So let's just go ahead, and now that we've entered in this coin, let's set our stop loss. How do we decide our stop loss? Well, I'm looking to make sure we get stopped out at like 9%. So that's about 8,034 satoshis. So let's go over into poloniex, click on this, type 0.0000 8,024. Now let's put our limit at 0.0000 8,020, and then let's press sell. Awesome. So now we have a stop and limit order. I have a video on how to do those. I recommend checking it out. But basically we have a stop and limit order at a certain price below our entry, which is right here, and now we are looking to sell out at about a 20% increase, somewhere around here at the 0.0001 range. And then we can go ahead and find another spot to enter at a lower high on this trend. So yeah, thanks for tuning into today's video. Shout out to Zeald MV on Instagram for sending me this awesome shirt. I highly appreciate that. I also tweeted about it. Follow me on Twitter at highaltitudeinv. I think that's really cool. He sells awesome shirts here for, you know, a fraction of what these quality of clothing would normally cost. So I think it's pretty interesting, and he's doing a great thing here. As you can see, this is the one he sent me. So huge shout out to Zeald MV. So just ZEALDMV on Instagram, and check out their clothing line, and you know, buy some. I recommend supporting them. So yeah, thank you for tuning in today's video. I hope you learned something. I am in the process of moving into a place right now, so I'm kind of couch surfing until I move into a place on the 1st of next month. So, you know, it's going to be a little bit harder for me to do videos, but I'm still going to get you guys because I'm dedicated to this. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you like what I'm doing. Send me a Bitcoin donation. Donation addresses for all of my, you know, Monero or whatever you want to donate down below. So I really appreciate that. Helps a lot. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for tuning in. Stay